I am going to read English newspaper. 20.8 lakh candidates appear as NEET UG 2025 held smoothly across India. Over 20.8 lakh candidates appeared for the NEET UG 2025 examination held across 548 cities in India and 14 international centers, said sources at the Ministry of Education on Sunday. The sources added that the nationwide test was conducted smoothly without any major issues or reports of malpractice. 20.8 lakh candidates appeared in the exam. There is no doubt it happened smoothly, the sources said, adding that only minor issues like late arrival and some confusion over dress codes were reported. No violations or use of unfair means have been reported so far. The sources confirmed the National Testing Agency responsible for organizing the medical entrance exam adopted a coordinated whole of government approach to ensure secure and fair conduct. A centralized control room was established under the Ministry of Education, bringing together officials from the Ministries of Health and Family Welfare, Home Affairs, Defense, and Electronics and IT. This hub monitored real time developments in coordination with the district and administrations and police forces across the country to strengthen oversight. Nodal higher education institutions were assigned to work with local authorities for on ground monitoring. Mock drills were conducted at all 5,453 centers on May 3 to test biometric verification systems, mobile signal jammers, frisking, personal readiness, and other logistics. The majority of centers were set up in government and government aided institutions to ensure administrative reliability. Given the exam's afternoon schedule during peak summer, authorities ensured the availability of drinking water, power backup, portable toilets, and first aid facilities at each center to curb misinformation and prevent malpractice. The NTA launched a suspicious claims reporting portal on April 26. The portal received over 2,300 reports, most related to false claims of leaked papers on social media. Officials identified 106 Telegram and 16 Instagram channels spreading misinformation, and complaints have been filed with the Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center. Action is underway and requests have been sent to social media platforms to remove fake content and share admin details. On Sunday as well, fresh complaints were lodged against some active channels on Telegram and Instagram. Ministry sources confirm which are also being examined by 14C sources informed. Thank you guys for watching.